Hello everyone, welcome to the Kiki London YouTube channel. My name is Amanda. In today's video, I have a very exciting new launch to share with you all, as today Kiki drop 4 new gel polish shades. So we've got a little mini summer collection. I think you're going to love these colors. They are absolutely beautiful. So let's jump in. We're going to take a look at all 4 shades and then we're going to swatch them. So straight up, as you can see, they come in 15 milliliter size bottles. All of the Kiki London gel polishes are vegan friendly and cruelty free. They all require a 30-second cure in an LED lamp or a 60-second cure in a UV lamp. I know most of us probably using LED now, but just in case you are still using UV, they can be cured in UV light as well. I absolutely love all of these shades. So first up, you see there we had Dolly Pink. We have so many pinks at Kiki London, but Dolly Pink does stand out from some of the others. It is such a beautiful, vibrant pink shade. And then True Blue is a beautiful, kind of like a medium blue shade. It sits right in the middle between a light blue and a dark blue. I think this is kind of going to be like a staple throughout the year. Then we have a beautiful peach shade, which is Belini Pop. I absolutely love the name of this one and just how gorgeous is that color. I can't wait till you see when we're swatching these how pigmented they are. I love a yellow, and I definitely think this is something we've needed more of in the Kiki collection, and this one is quite a nice classic yellow. So it's called Banana Ripple, and as you can see, it's giving off all of those gorgeous classic banana yellow vibes. It is absolutely beautiful for summer and beyond. So there we have our 4 new shades, and I couldn't wait to get these on a swatch and see what they looked like up against each other and how well that they would work with each other, and kind of like start thinking up designs and things. So jumping in, I'm going to swatch them on my Kiki London swatch file. As you can see, I've got a few swatches already in here. There is the previous launch, which was the rubber color bases. Now if you purchase the Kiki London swatch file, you do get this handy tip stand. You get the tips that go on to the tip stand, so this makes swatching effortless, and it's a great way, especially if you work in a salon or on mobile, to show clients. And it's great because you can very easily pop colors off the panels and compare them up against other colors, especially if you're trying to create nail art designs where you're going to be combining different colors. So let's jump in to swatching. First up, we have Dolly Pink. Now this does give off Barbie vibes, so the name does suit this one perfectly. As you can see, it's bright, it's vibrant, it's a hot pink, it's kind of got a hint of magenta to it as well. It just gives off really fun, bold vibes. So as soon as I see this one, I did think Barbie, so Dolly Pink suits this shade beautifully. I think as well this will pair up with the Barbie pink that we have in the collection already. So if you're wanting to create a fun girly set of nails, I definitely recommend Dolly Pink. Next up, we have True Blue. Again, the name suits this one perfectly. It's just the perfect blue in my opinion. It reminds me of a hot sunny day where you've got a beautiful clear sky. It's got a really nice calming feel to it. It's got a kind of like a cool undertone, and I really love that. It just makes me think of a tranquil, quiet, sunny day. I really love this one. And as you can see, up against that Dolly Pink, I love that clash that the two have. I think they would work together whilst clashing at the same time, and they would make a really great combination because one's quite calming and one's quite bold. Now let's swatch Belini Pop. Now this one is light and refreshing, just like the Belini cocktail, so the name suits it beautifully. It's got a it's kind of like the perfect mix between orange and yellow, and it makes this gorgeous peach shade. As you can see, it's fresh and bright. I feel as though it's got a bit of a neon look to it while sort of still keeping with those pastel tones. So it's a lovely color, and I think again this is one that pairs up nicely with this shade. So I do feel as though the pink and blue work very well together, and then Belini Pop and Banana Ripple work very well together as well. Whenever a new collection collections launches, I kind of love to see how I can get the colors to work with each other and things like that. So Banana Ripple, as you can see, this is a very classic yellow. It's got a little bit of a warm undertone to it, but it still keeps nice and bright, and it's giving that true yellow look, and it's got such a sunny, happy feel to it. Like if I was wearing this on my nails, I don't think I could feel sad. It just invokes happiness, which I love about a yellow shade. So we've done our first coat of all of these colors. As you can see, in one coat they are super pigmented, which is something I really love about the Kiki London formula. You can keep your coats nice and thin and that pigmentation will come through. We always recommend applying them in 2 thin coats. When you come in and apply that second coat of color, this is where you're getting the full opacity. Now we are swatching over a white base, which works beautifully for some of the brighter colors, especially here with Dolly Pink, Belini Pop and Banana Ripple. Having a white base underneath them really brings out the bold color of them. So if you are wanting to apply these over a white base, I would recommend applying them over RB01, which is a white rubber color base. However, of course, you can apply these over any base of your choice, but to really get that pop, having a white base underneath really brings the bold colors to life. So as you can see there, when we've added our second coat of Dolly Pink, that vibrancy is just popping. And then moving on to True Blue, it's just still giving me really nice calming vibes. I love, it's kind of like a cornflower blue, but then a hint of a periwinkle blue as well. I'm really loving this one. I think True Blue has to be my personal favorite in this collection, but I think because of the time of year, I can really see Banana Ripple and Belini Pop being popular. Do let me know in the comments below which is your favorite out of the new shades. They are available on pre-sale offer at the moment, so I will leave a link to the Kiki London website in the description box below, and you can just see all the gorgeousness once you've come in and applied that second coat of color. So of course you're going to want to finish with a layer of top coat. I'm going to use the crystal top coat today to get that beautiful high shine. And now I need to start thinking up of some designs where we can use these colors together. I do feel as though they're giving marble vibes. Like I think all 4 of these colors would marble beautifully together, and that would be a really fun way to use all 4 colors in a set. And then I also think Belini Pop and Banana Ripple would make a gorgeous ombre. Saying that, I think Banana Ripple and Dolly Pink would make a beautiful combination as well. So do let me know in the comments below any design suggestions you have or that you would like to see using these colors. Head on over to the Kiki London Instagram page where you will see some of these colors in sets that some of our ambassadors have done as well. So as always, the Kiki London Instagram page and Facebook group are linked in the description box below, so come in and engage with us on socials. So once I had finished top coating and cured them, as you can see, I popped the tips off of that handy little tip stand and popped them onto my panel, and then now it's easy to pop these in my swatch file to have a look and compare them to other shades and things like that. I really hope you all enjoyed watching today's video, and I hope you love these new colors as much as I do. Don't forget to comment below and let me know your favorite. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscription button. I upload videos every single Friday, and then you'll be able to see these new colors in action. Thank you all so much for watching. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.